Okay, I think it's important, even for cartoonists, people who draw cartoons, if you're dealing with a figure, to look at anatomy. And thank heavens, we have handy dandy books. We don't have to cut up cadavers like Leonardo and guys did to figure out the anatomy. Oh my god. I'm so glad I don't have to do that. When I was in high school, I just about fainted cutting up a frog. Oh my lord. Anyway, cutting up a frog, biology class. Oh, and I remember going in and they had a cat. I burst into tears and ran out. Oh well, I'm sure glad that we have books. I'm not up to cutting up cadavers.